Hey sweetie, I heard you wanna be that bad in the straight. Let me show you how to rock a welding hood. First, torch in one hand, confidence in the other. And trust me, you will hold that welding torch better than most guys hold their ego. He's not sure if he feels a spark between you two. Don't worry, I got plenty. See the spark, not the one waiting for it. Hey sweetie. Ist die Masse professionell?
Ja.
Trust me, you will hold. And trust me, you will well. And trust me, you will hold it.
Okay, hast du ja.
Trust me, you will hold that welding torch.
Vielleicht, ja. Mach ich erst so. Okay, los.